Hi guys, so I'm going through some items here. Actually, we're doing some cleanup for like about 2 weeks now. So it would be fun to share some items that I found. And then I found these items when I was a student here in Canada. And by the way, I'm using the MacBook Pro M2 2022 camera. So I'm also testing it out. I just have a good lighting here, so I think it makes a huge difference. So I found this one first in my pencil case. So this is just a badge from the Philippines. And then when I was going through some stuff here, look at what I found. I found some needles that I need to dispose. Oh no! That I need to dispose, and then I found some tegaderm. I used these items using our practical nursing demo. So it looks like this. This is like for like a wound dressing. And I also have an extra one. I'm gonna open this right now. So it looks like this. Yes. Then I'm just going through some items and I'm disposing it. Of course, I found some gloves. These, I believe we can recycle. It's just so funny to see these items because, reminiscing my student life in Canada. I have a tourniquet, and then I have some flushing and syringe. I also have a tape which I won't use in long term. We usually use this kind of tape in the hospital, so yeah, it would be so much fun to share with you. I have a syringe which I can actually use when I'm giving a medication to baby, but probably this one is expired. So yeah, 7/31/2023. Oh, not yet expired. It expires next year, but I'm not gonna use that. And then I found a catheter. It's so funny performing this on a steel mannequin. So yes, I have this. I have a Foley catheter, just in case you're wondering how it looks like. And to anchor this, we actually have a balloon here. Actually, I can do that right now since I have let me check. Yeah, so actually I can do that right now with you. It's just so fun to do this. I still do this in long term. So I have a sterile water here. And then to actually anchor this in the reproductive part, we need a flushing. So we flush it here, and then there's like a balloon. Look at this, it will inflate. See? Oh my goodness, there you go. So this balloon, it anchors this to the bladder. Yeah, it will hold the bladder in place. So if ever it pulls out, it won't, because it has a balloon. Actually, this balloon is a bit of a small one, because usually we use like 10 ml sterile water. And then if we remove this, we actually deflate it like so, and see, no more balloon. And then we can remove it from the urinary canal. So yeah. And then have some gloves here that we can use at home. I have a saline bullet. This is the one we used for wound cleaning. And that's the second bag. That's the catheter, the one for Foley catheterization. And then also, yeah, have it here. This is actually for a a catheterization tray as well. So this is for catheter. This is like a tongue. So this is we still use this up to this day. So we use this in doing the catheter. So I have like a white and blue pad, sterile gloves, one pair, and then cotton pad. It would be super nice to do a haul like this. So weird because when I was a student, I was too busy with school and studying and performing demos, attending clinicals, exams. So we have this cotton balls, and then there's like a urine specimen. I have some betadine, another tongue, and the 10 ml syringe that we use to inflate the balloon in the catheter. So that's it in the box. So I'm just cleaning some stuff. It's actually very crazy because I graduated in 2019 and all of my nursing staff are still here. So this is another Ziploc. It's the dressing tray. I thought it would be nice to share with you guys what's inside when we will, what we do in school, in nursing school. And yeah, it's so cool in here. I find it very nice. The school, the nursing school in here is very, very nice actually. So these are for the dressing. These are just the pad, to secure the sterility of the surrounding. To another tongue, and then a waste receptacle, 2 tissue forceps, and then some gauze. So that's it for this tray. There. I've used this. I practiced this over and over again as a student before doing our practicum. And then some blue pads that we use for our dog now. Some, I forgot the name of this already, but yeah. I think this one is like used to secure a tunneling wound. So we put this inside the wound, and then I have a paper, ano say tawag ani oy, alperil. I forgot the name of this, but we have this, and then I have a scissor like so. This is used for cutting the gauze or the tape. So yeah, I'm just throwing away all of this stuff because I'm not in school anymore. And so this one is an abdominal pad. This is used for wound dressing as well, like so. It's a very absorbent pad. Then more dressing supplies here. I have a mask. Oh my god, and an open steri strip, which I'm throwing it away because I don't have anything to use it for. There. And then more dressing sponges. It's like gauze. More gauze. I have some gloves. And then I have a sterile gloves. I've used this over and over again in practicing. So it looks like this. We use this in a sterile field. I have some sponges again. I have a MedicaL, which we use a lot. Another MedicaL that's already cut out. like so, so, and then gauze, and another gauze, a syringe, a 10 ml syringe, and then another tape. Oh my god, it looks so new because I just use it for a short period of time, but I have a lot of tapes here, so you won't use it. Another gloves, and there you go. And then I have a syringe with a needle. So what I'm going to do with the needle is to, oh my god, I can't remove it, so I'll dispose it here. And I'm gonna find a sharps container to contain that. So this is another kit for dressing supply. We did a lot of dressing when I was in school, so I'm pretty confident in dressing, and wound care is like my favorite because it's super easy. And yeah, we have the forceps here. So this is the IV kit. So IV kit. Oh my gosh, I have like the needle that we insert into the vein. Yeah, needs to be discarded. So all the sharps would go into a separate bag. Whew. Oh my gosh, this is a big one. A big needle. We actually had like a mannequin to insert this. Some of the items are the same. And then we have a butterfly needle, like so. It's for babies, and it's also for sub-Q line. Another needle that I need to dispose. Some gowns. It's just, it looks like this. The one we used for COVID. So it's a long gown. A dressing tray. Same one that I've shown you earlier. Another catheter. This one is called Foley catheter. So a Foley catheter, like so. This is how tall the length of a catheter is. And that is it, guys. I can't believe I have been keeping this for a long period of time now. Oh, and I have vials. And more vials and needles. So see ya.